Generally, a pattern will simply give you instructions to bind off at the end. Sometimes it might say bind off loosely. For those instructions in those patterns, a straight knitwise bind off is going to work great for your project. Gives you a nice finished edge that looks pretty similar to your cast on edge. At the end of the video, I'll compare the swatches here and you can see how our knit one, knit two together stretchy bind off will be much more elastic in comparison to the straight knitwise bind off. As a reminder, in your knitwise bind off, you knit two and then you use your left needle to insert left to right through the first stitch, and you lift it over the second stitch and off the needle to where you only have one remaining stitch on your right-handed needle. And then you continue across your row by knitting one. Now that you have two stitches on your needle again, you lift the first one over the top of the stitch there. And you continue that on across the row until you get to one stitch on your needle. And once you have one stitch on your needle at the end of your row, you'll just expand it, reach through that stitch, pull the tail that you cut off at the end through. But let's show you the difference for your knit one, knit two together stretch. We start our knit one, knit two together stretchy bind off in the same way as our regular knitwise bind off, where we knit two, 1, 2. But this time we insert our left needle left to right through those first two stitches through their front legs, and then we knit them together. So again, we have one stitch left on our right needle. So we're going to now knit one, same as before, knit these first two on the right hand needle together. Knit one, knit these two stitches together. You'll continue that across the row to the end. When you come to the last two stitches, and you've knit them together, you have the one last stitch left there. Just give yourself about 6-inch tail there. Just like with your regular bind off, just reach through, create that knot at the end. See here, you compare the two. You'll see there's a lot more stretch here. And that's how you complete the knit one, knit two together stretchy bind off.